Hello everyone! After months of work using advanced RSI and the moving averages, I could finally make an unbeatable and magical strategy. As we can see on the footage, the accuracy of these signals is extraordinarily high. I have used a new indicator from TradingView and an exclusive indicator that you can't find anywhere on YouTube. In order to make this strategy, let me open up a chart so I can teach you this exclusive and magical strategy. Okay. We open the Indicators tab to add the first indicator to the chart, which will be the one giving us buy and sell signals. We search for Trader XO here and apply this indicator to the chart. This indicator works by detecting the crossings of two moving averages and gives off buy or sell signals. For example, it has given a buy signal here. If we were to enter the trade at this position and set the stop loss to down here, we would have made profit up to this range. There's a sell signal here as another example. Another buy signal here. At this position, we got both buy and sell signals. The sell signal is correct, but the buy signal is fake. There are more signals. Buy signal here, buy here, sell here, which is fake. As you can see, this indicator sometimes shows fake signals, but I'm going to filter out these fake signals by adding the new indicator. There's another sell signal here, and another buy down here. Let's find out what is the win rate ratio of this strategy. First, we calculate the win rate ratio of this indicator alone and update the win rate of this strategy throughout the video. Now we go back on the chart a little. We're going to start backtesting from this point. So I will speed up the video and get to backtesting the strategy. Let's count how many trades were closed with profit and how many ended up with loss. We won 21 trades and 11 trades were lost, so the win rate ratio of the strategy is 50%. If we consider each position's risk-reward ratio to be 1.5, in all these trades we could have made 50% profit in total. Because we got more wins rather than losses, we could assume having the 50% profit. Now, let's add the next indicator to the chart and filter out these fake signals. This is the next indicator. It is RSI based, but it isn't the same as the old usual RSI. This one is an advanced version of RSI. The codes of this RSI have been optimized. It will take care of all fake signals. This RSI doesn't exist on TradingView platform because we have made this indicator ourselves. I'm going to open this RSI settings. I'm going to change the number 14 here to 25 and change this other 14 to 150. See how the RSI changed. We open the settings again. In the style section, we change some colors. We make the new RSI graph bolder and set it to a lighter purple. We also make the yellow line bolder to be more visible. Okay, so the new and advanced RSI is ready. Conditions of this strategy are that when the first indicator gives a buy signal, in new RSI indicator, the purple graph of RSI should cross the yellow line of EMA upwards. For example, here the first indicator has shown a buy signal and down here the RSI has confirmed it. Whenever these two conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. We set the stop loss under this area. We could hit risk-reward ratio of 4. Let's find a sell signal too. In this position, the RSI line and the EMA line has crossed each other downwards. And up here, the first indicator has shown a sell signal. Both conditions are met, so we enter a sell trade. We set the stop loss above the swing, so we could have achieved the risk-reward ratio of 4 again. Here, XO indicator has given a sell signal, but there is no crossing in RSI, meaning RSI has filtered this fake signal. Near here, we can see a buy signal given by XO indicator 2, but the RSI graph is above the yellow line, so the signal doesn't have the second confirmation and we can't enter a trade because of it. This signal is not valid even though the price has gone up after it. Here, we got a buy signal and in RSI indicator, a crossing has occurred prior to it. So this signal has both conditions and we can enter a buy trade at this position. Here we got two signals, but they both are false because RSI hasn't confirmed any of them. No crossing happened in RSI at this position, so these signals are fake and not valid. With this RSI, the strategy's win rate ratio rises above 95% because RSI filters the fake signals. Let's see some more examples as proof. Here, the first indicator has shown us a sell signal, and down here, both lines has crossed in this way that the RSI purple line has cut the EMA yellow line downwards, which means we get the second confirmation. So, because both conditions are met, we open a sell position here, and we put the stop loss here. See how far the price has fallen? It gave us near 6 risk reward. Here the indicator has given a buy signal, but we can't see any crossings down here, so this signal is fake and filtered out. Here we got a sell signal, but RSI doesn't confirm this one too, because there's no upwards crossing, meaning this signal is also fake and filtered by RSI. Here there's another sell signal that isn't confirmed by RSI, so this signal is also considered fake. Again, here the indicator has given a sell signal, but the RSI hasn't crossed upwards. This signal is fake and filtered out too. Here, the indicator has given a buy signal, but there's a crossing and this fake signal is also filtered. So in this area, RSI has filtered around 4 to 5 signals which are all fake because this area is a range zone and RSI detects this zone for us and filters the signals in a range zone. Here, the RSI has crossed upwards, and up here, a signal has been given that is valid because both conditions are met. We enter a buy trade here and set the stop loss to down here and follow the trade. We are currently on the Bitcoin chart with the 15-minute time frame. See how many fake signals advanced RSI has filtered? This RSI managed to filter all these fake signals that are in this range zone of the market and didn't let us enter a trade that we would lose, saving us from loss. This advanced RSI increases the win rate ratio of this by a lot. Here we have received a sell signal, yet RSI hasn't confirmed it, so the signal is fake. Again, we got a buy signal from the indicator, but this time the RSI graph has crossed upwards, confirming this signal, so this signal is correct. I open a buy position here because both conditions are fulfilled. See how far the price has risen. Let's have a backtest from this strategy now to see how efficient RSI is in filtering fake signals and how much the win rate of this strategy has increased after adding advanced RSI. This strategy's win rate was 50% before when it only had one indicator. Now let's find out its win rate at this state after adding RSI. I speed up the video and start the backtesting. Let's count the number of positions and their status. We got 19 trading positions in total, and all 19 positions ended winning. So this strategy's win rate has reached 100% here. Using advanced RSI indicator, all fake signals were filtered, increasing the win rate of a strategy up to 100%. Now let me teach you how to add this advanced RSI to your chart. As mentioned, this indicator doesn't exist on TradingView and we have made this ourselves exclusively. I will upload Pine script codes of this indicator on my Telegram channel, the link to which you can find in the description of the video. If you want to receive the codes, just open the description of this video and click on this link. This is the link to our Telegram channel. Open the Telegram channel and download the indicator's code. After opening the file, copy all the codes in here. Then open TradingView and the Pine Editor tab. Delete all of the code lines in here and paste the copied code line instead of them. Then click the Save option and then add it to the chart in order to apply the indicator to the chart. Okay, the advanced RSI indicator now is added to the chart. Open its settings. If you open the Style section, you will find these two options disabled. These are the old usual RSI graphs. I'm going to enable them, and as you can see, the classic RSI is on the chart. Now I disable new RSI options, so only the old RSI is left. If we enable the new RSI option, advanced RSI will be added and we can disable old RSI. Next, in Inputs tab, we again change this number 14 to 25 and this other 14 option should be set to 150, so it can once again filter out fake signals efficiently. As you can see, here it's the same. The buy signal confirmation here and the sell signal confirmation here. And here again, the buy signal confirmation. Here are the many fake signals it had filtered out. Because here was a range zone and RSI filters range zones. Because there are no crossings here. But here we had a buy signal and down here a crossing happened, confirming this signal. See how much profit we could have made by entering this trading position. We could have stayed in trade even in here because there's no crossing. We get out of the trade when RSI graph gets close to yellow line again, like in this point here. It took me a week to figure out this strategy. These kinds of exclusive strategies are really hard to find on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Wait for the next video and click on the bell so you get notified as soon as the next video gets out, because I'm going to introduce another unique strategy in the next video. Before using this strategy, make sure to do some backtesting first. Hope you can make big profits using this strategy, and till next video, goodbye.